How does it work? The burning piece of paper or birthday candles heat the molecules to move far away from each other. Some of the heated molecules actually escape out past the egg that is resting on the mouth of the bottle. That's why the egg or water balloon wiggles on top of the bottle. When the flame goes out, the molecules of air in the bottle cool down and move closer together, making room for new air molecules. This is what scientists refer to as a partial vacuum. Normally, the air outside the bottle would come rushing to fill the bottle. However, the egg is in the way. Pressure of the air molecules outside the bottle is so great that it literally pushes the egg into the bottle.
What caused the can to collapse? When you heat the can, you cause the water in it to boil. The vapor from the boiling water pushed out air out of the can. When the can was filled with water vapor, you cooled it suddenly by inverting it in water. Cooling the can caused the water vapor in the can to condense, creating a partial vacuum. The extremely low pressure of the partial vacuum inside the can made it possible for the pressure of the air outside the can to crush it. A can is crushed when the pressure outside is greater than the pressure inside, and the pressure difference is greater than the can is able to withstand. You can crush an open aluminum can with your hand. When you squeeze on the can, the pressure outside becomes greater than the pressure inside. If you squeeze hard, the can collapses. Usually, the air present inside the open can is the same as the pressure outside. However, in this experiment, the air was driven out of the can and replaced by water vapor.
Hi, today we're going to explain the science behind the Bush bottle experiment. The science behind it is the bottle begins full of air and oxygen, and then after putting alcohol inside, it mixes with air and forms alcohol vapor. And then, as it evaporates, a mix of oxygen and alcohol is left inside the bottle. By adding a flame in the form of a match, heat energy is added. It causes the chemical reaction of combustion to occur between the oxygen and alcohol vapor. It shows the exothermic reaction wherein heat, light, and sound is generated in the experiment. When you can hear the sound of the whoosh, most of the oxygen has been used up and a jet of flame shoots up from the bottle neck. After which, you may see a flame dance around inside the bottle and a pulse for a few seconds. This happens due to the leftover alcohol remaining in the bottle. However, most of the oxygen has been used up, so a fresh oxygen is sucked down the bottle from outside, which it reignites the alcohol vapor again. This repeats until the vapor is gone. As you can see, when the bottle was covered, it was being crushed. The air pressure around the bottle was actually the one crushing the bottle. After the experiment, carbon dioxide and water was produced as a byproduct of the combustion.